dressed as Disney princes and princes.
Sounds great.
Call Rachel 489-4669. Join the conversation. Now radio.
Now, I thought it was a bit ridiculous, personally. Apparently, though, she always saw a cop on that bridge hiding to catch speeders. I never saw that either, though.
Really?
No. Okay, why are you turning so wide?
You're not driving a freaking humongous truck, lady. We know. Yeah, just put the picture up there.
As a matter of fact, the longer length of time you spend looking at the picture, the more crazy people become. And it is now causing people to
That was definitely a cutoff.
I don't like this picture.
I don't like it either.
It's like weird. I don't know where it's coming from.
That is not true. Well, according to this study,
the condo board meeting that Mars can't open windows.
we do not cover that at the condo board meeting.
Off work for like 3 months in recovery.
Holy cow.
Oh, that is.
Oh, she messed up her leg.
Yeah, she did. Yeah, that tendon snapped and it went all the way up past into her thigh.
Everybody got their crazy, and I got a little more. I'm just saying,
Continue straight for 20 minutes to Township Road 510.
It must be a calming thing for Mao. It's weird and hilarious. I have no recollection of it going on. So, like, when you're just like in a sleep, that she'll reach down there and eat it. And a lot of you're coming to her defense. In fact, I've opened this conversation up to just be, what have you caught in your clothing before? Somebody said, for the gents, you can include the beard. We catch stuff in our beards a lot. Anniversary, but things are a little different over there.
happy birthday.
For one, they're having a birthday sale. They never have sales because they always guarantee
In 300 meters, turn left,
and they have a
then turn
huge
right.
selection of modern furniture.
Now's the time to get great value on Toyota's most popular models with their most advanced.
Is there an accident
features
here or
at
something?
No extra cost. Lease
Whoa.
the 2019 Corolla for as low as $55 weekly at 0.99%.
Really?
I'm a sucker for you.
Oh, nice signal there. Why are you not signaling your intentions?
How do you respond?
What can I do to help?
Really?
Really, we were together for 13 years, have 2 kids together. We only broke up in
Ensemble.
Isn't this what to die for? Darling, just feel the luxury of this cashmere knit.
Oh, it's magnificent.
And don't even get me started on the cut of these trousers. Like that's the recipe, right? You got the pub crawl, you got the drinks, the music, myself. You don't need anything else, do you?
Text Brayden 56789. Join the conversation. Now.
Baby, I'm in love with you. Oh, and I'm missing the sound of your heart. And thoughts cruising through Echo Park.
Yeah, that's a little close to that guy. That's not a parking spot.
Danny, California.
Now radio.
So, what lane are you in? Not sure why you're signaling right. There's nowhere to turn right. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, you want to park on the wrong side. That's a red light.
And unrehearsed right now.
Here we go.
This is the Now Takeover.
You know, the more I think about this, the more